garage. Guess what I've gotten myself into now? Stay tuned. So welcome back to the channel. Yes, I've gone and got something. I've bought myself a 2002 extended cab F250 four-wheel drive with a 5.4 5-speed. And yes, boys and girls, we get back in there. She got a Dana 60. Anyways, it's got clutch issues. As you can see, this is a typical Ohio truck. It's rusted. She flops. The doors are reasonably good, believe it or not. There's some mild rust there. Same thing on the other side. Like I said, it was just a work truck. The guy actually bought it from was actually living out of it for a while. Thankfully, he took, looks like, most of the stuff out of it. But I didn't buy it for the truck. I bought it for the axles. I've already got somebody interested in the 5-speed transmission for basically what I paid for the truck. So right now, I'm $0 in. One thing I don't know is what I've got back here. Obviously, it's a 10.5 Sterling, but I don't know what gear ratios I have and whether it's got a locker or not. So, tried to look at the tags earlier the other night when I picked this thing up, but they're rather dirty and stuff like that. So I brought a wrench. I'm going to pull the tags off and let's see what we got under here. Oh. Tags off. Let's see what I can read on here. Something about only. I need a rag. Be right back. Alright, forgive me. It is quite windy today. Expecting thunderstorms to move in here later on today. And let's see what this first tag says. Now it's telling me I need to use 75W140 synthetic only. Am I going to translate to having an actual locker in here? See if we can figure out what's going on here with it. This should have the ratio tag. A22. That's not what I was hoping to see. I don't know if Ford has changed their how they code their rear axles. Normally you pull the tag and it's going to have, you know, 373 or like 3L73 for a locker, or 4L10 for a 410 with a locker, or 4 space 10 with an open rear end. Those are the only 2 tags on it. I guess I'm going to have to crawl underneath the front and see if by some chance the build tag for the front axle is still on it and actually still legible, because it still should have a gear ratio. But anyway, I'm going to turn it off here because I don't think anybody wants to see me crawling the front axle here. So hang on, let's see if I can find that first. Alright, I successfully located the build tag. I don't know if you're going to fit under here like this. Just give me a second here. Push this up. See what I can do here like that. There we go. Anyway, as I crawl under here, I cleaned it off already. And it says 283. Hey there. But definitely a 410 axle. These are 410s front and back. But I can tell you what, this got really twisted exhaust system on this crazy thing. Anyway, holy smokes. Wind's crazy. So if this is like, I apologize. Anyways, this is where we're at. Today's project was just seeing what ratios we had in our axles. These will be for the rig. The doors will be going on, going to save for my son's truck. Probably sell the motor. Definitely already got the transmission sold. Probably sell the transfer case, you know. We'll save all the good parts for the best of it anyway. Scrap the cab and the bed and frame. This is Atwood's Garage. Stick around because this winter looks like I got 20 ton axles to work on. Anyways, hope you all have a good weekend. See you later.